Hey everyone, Rafi and Rathos here. Today we're going to be doing a big unboxing. I got tongue-tied right there. This is literally going to be the biggest unboxing I do. It is of the Alienware Aurora R6. It is the desktop. It is not stock. I actually think it tells you. Let me read the description real quick. I should grab this to begin with. Wow. So the specs are so the 460 watt power supply, the Intel Core i7 7700K, a processor 4 core, Turbo Boost 2.0, overclocked up to 4.4 gigahertz. The 16 gigs of RAM, a placemat, I guess. I don't remember. I didn't order that, but whatever. It has the 256 gigabyte for SSD boot drive, and then it has the 1 terabyte. So it has the same storage as my laptop. And then it has a 8x DVD player. It has the US, all that stuff. Intel wireless drivers, Bluetooth, and that's really all. Windows 10 obviously, but yeah. So, and it's not telling me the graphics card. Oh, there it is, the Nvidia GeForce 1080 with 8 gigabytes. I could have got the TI, I know, but I decided not to because I decided to save the money and then I could always upgrade it later, or even just put in a second graphics card. So whatever. This is actually the first time I will own a desktop. I have used desktops, obviously. I mean, in school you kind of have to, but the last time I used a desktop was way back when, not counting work related, was probably. Yeah, it was high school, so it's been a while. So yeah, this is the biggest unboxing I will probably ever do. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. Let's reorganize this. And it's not gonna be like my other one. Yep, it has, oh no, my other one, but my other Alienware items where they came in a box with type of box. I knew that's how it was going to be. So putting it up there wasn't as smart as I should have. So let me get this out of the box. I'm probably just going to tip it over. This is getting kind of complicated. Get out of my way, laptop case. Alright. Let's see. Dang it, my laptop case is in my way. Put you on the bed for now. This is more challenging. This is more work than I thought it was going to be. Grab the handle and then just get it. Alright. Pretty nice box actually. Throw that aside. Alright, here it is. Let me actually bring it closer, look down, and there you go. It obviously has the Alienware logo. It's kind of like my laptop, the R5? Yeah, R5. It has the same kind of box, you can kind of see it. Okay, not really, because my ink not great. Yeah, the box isn't all that fancy, so let's get actually into it. Apparently I have it backwards, so let's turn it around. And here's the. Let me raise it a little bit so you guys can see it. There we go. That's a little bit better. Alright, so we have this. Comes with the keyboard, I'm guessing. So I did click on the free keyboard and the free mouse. So it should come with that stuff. What's this? Warranty. What's this? How to power it. The mouse, very, cheaper, kinda. And then the power cable. Alright. So that's pretty much all there in this box. Because, Alienware loves their boxes. Right, and then there's the monstrosity. It has some pretty nice foam, big thick foam. Let me show you. So it has some pretty nice foam in there. It's protected. I mean, I haven't had any problems with any of their shipping styles. So, oops. So yeah. Let's get this behemoth out of here. Let me put this on the floor and pull it out. It'll be safer. Why is there a skateboard right here? Not planned this through. Correct. So let me put this, I could probably put this onto my chair and just pull it from there. Cool. Or not. Cool. This is the top, it looks like. Yes, this is the top. Right. And there, you can see the foam. The empty box. Now we can go over there. So, zoom in so you guys can see it better. Alright, so there it is. Let's take off all this foam. Some really thick foam, actually. Obviously, it's not as thick as the foam that was in the, my laptop ones, but that's because, they surrounded the whole thing to make sure the laptop doesn't move at all. Make sure. Okay, there's the foam out of the way. Remove. It literally tells me to remove the sticker. But this is where the airflow goes. I believe this is where the hot air comes out. Let's see this. I am actually going to open it before I plug it in and all that stuff, just so we can take a look on the inside. I've actually never owned a desktop before, so this is actually going to be really cool and really new to me. So. Is there any more? Oh yeah, there's one more right here. Let me zoom back out. I mean, this ain't very important stuff, but just so you guys see me doing everything. Comes off because these things aren't really made that well. They're meant to just get taken off and then thrown away. All right, awesome. It's a little dusty. I need to buy an air can. I think about it. Something I need to buy to begin with. Alright, so that's pretty cool. The DVD drive, the logo, which is the power button as well. Intel i7, 7th gen. So the back, let's take a look at it. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Turn it a little bit. There we go. Alright, so I don't know if that thing's still there. Oh, it does not. It's just part of that still. Alright. So we have the. I'm not a huge computer know-it-all, so I don't know everything. So I'm not sure what that is. I'm pretty. That might be just the audio cable. I just plug in the normal audio to it. That is my serial number, so you don't need to see that. So it has the 4, 5, 6 USB 2.0s, and then the Ethernet cable. And then it has the HDMI cord. We has which I don't think I'll use. I'll probably just plug it into the graphics card one, which is right here. The micro one, I think that's what that is. I don't know what that is. And then 4 USB 4.0s, the power cable, the thing to eject the side, which we'll get to in a minute. More audio stuff. Maybe you probably just hear audio jack and stuff. Can't tell the stuff. Can't really see anything. Okay, so they might tell you what that is. It did not tell what that is. Okay. So this is the SSD. And this is, yeah, just your audio cable and stuff. So I'm guessing that's what that is. That's just an audio plug so you can plug in your thing. It looks like I need a screwdriver to unplug, to take this off, to take the side off. Which reminds me, what is my screwdriver? I'm going to pause this for a minute so I can find my screwdriver really quick. I don't remember how to pause. Oh wait, I remember now. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know. It's usually right here, so I don't know why it wasn't. But also another cool thing to get, this little, you know, mobile, toolkit just to have around. So we basically need to unscrew this one screw. And the screw's probably just there to, you know, make sure it doesn't fall off on accident. No, it shouldn't, because it has the two locks right here to, you know, prevent that. But, you know, safety is always good. I don't care if I have to remove one screw. So let's see. Now we gotta push this up, and pull? Yeah, pull. Okay. Pull. This. If I not pull this far enough. I've never taken one of these off before, so I'm not. There it goes. Oh, it's because it has magnets up here. Might help. Okay. It's the magnets that probably light up the. That give it power to light up the. Okay. So let's turn this around really quick. This is, I know, probably gonna be like one of my longest videos I've ever done. So bear with me here. It's kind of. My best light is up there, and it's kind of out, probably casting a shadow, so it's not going to be the best work. Let me lower this a little bit now. Check out. I'm trying to give you guys the best possible angle here. Alright, so here's the power source. Power source. It tells you a little one-pipe thing. I'm going to pop this out. So yeah, this built out. It has two more slots right here for two more hard drives. It has a little plastic thing, which is basically just to hold this on shipment. But I'll probably leave it in there just to keep it, you know, well, to make sure it doesn't do damage. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to see it anyways. Power source to it. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see. We're gonna pull this out now. And this is just a door that actually takes a lot of energy apparently to push out. And then there's the liquid coolant system. There's the drive. What should I call it? I'm just having a bad day. The RAM. That's. Pretty sure that's the Wi-Fi card. Yes, that's the Wi-Fi card. Where's the SSD? Oh, there it is. It's underneath. It's like right underneath the graphics card, pretty much. So it's just right here. I'm not gonna do that. I'll probably do it more in depth when I do my review. So yeah, pretty nice because it's. When you get an air can, it'd be easy to clean it out. Nice. All right. Let's put this back together and start her up. Where does it look wrong? It is. The top matches. There we go. I think. So obviously it's not right yet. There we go. Now it's locked into place, it looks like, for the most part, or at least from what I can tell. Alright. There we go. I think. I know the other side comes out too, but I don't think there's a reason. It looks like the motherboard blocks it. Alright. So let's plug this in really quick and get it going. Right, it's plugged up. I don't have an actual computer monitor, so I'm gonna plug it into my TV. But let's get this started. Looks pretty cool. I mean, I can't really tell on there. Oh, there it goes. I was like, what happened? Oh, I gotta turn my TV on too. Yeah, it is a Samsung Smart TV. I mean, I honestly like Samsung. I haven't had any problems with any of their stuff, so it's something I'd recommend kicking into. And there it is so far, so good. I haven't put in everything yet. I'm just letting it boot up really quick. Oh, I should probably put that screw in really quick before I forget. End up losing it. It's actually nice to have that protection because that screw. Okay, get all that stuff there. Well, I can't right now because I don't have anything plugged in. Let's see. I haven't shown you guys the mouse or anything, so let's show you guys that stuff really quick. I mean, it's a basic mouse, basic wired mouse. Apparently, it has some plastic on it, but yeah, it's free. So it's free. So oh, and there's 4 USB ports up here, and then there's the headphone and whatnot too. So. The speakers on this TV aren't the best, but they're good enough. So that's a pretty lengthy cord. Let's see, we'll just put it into that one. So let me get my tools out of the way. Now let's look at the keyboards. I also haven't opened that yet. Actually, I probably should have done all this before I started. Whatever. It's just a basic keyboard, it looks like. Nothing very fancy. At least the cord looks like it's decently long. So let's see. Let's take it out of the bag. You know, it has the Alienware logo on it, and it has the Alienware logo on it. Logo. You can't really see it because my lighting's crap, but Alienware logo. It has the the play and all that stuff on this side, and then it has like the home, the email button. I think that's the computer button and the calculator button. So it looks alright. Oh, apparently there's plastic right there. So, bam! Take that off too. Let's plug this in really quick. It's actually a really long cord, but since it's not long very far right now, I'll actually set it up how I want it later. There, put that in there. States. Let's add a secondary skip. I have no mouse. Mouse just not working. It's not working. Where's my laptop? I'll just grab my. The cord really quick. And then you can also see the mouse, or if it's the cord out contact. And then my mouse. Take the cord. I mean, it might not even work because you got to install drivers and stuff. So yeah, let's see how to install stuff. Let it all the way down. Except get this for now. Oh wait, you know what? that was the time I was supposed to put in my account. Right, me. No. Accept this. You know, I'm gonna pause it and just. Alright, now we're back up to the actual booting. No, it's just gonna. Oh, you know what? This is probably gonna take forever too. Alright, so we're fully booted up. I did plug the mouse back in, and it did make the bidding noise and all that stuff, so it looks like it's working now. So yeah, the only problem is, you know, this TV isn't full, so I'm gonna have to down the quality a little bit, make it fully onto my feed. Oh, you know, I have to click on that. And go to this, and hey, I want to bring that up. And then go into this, not that. This. Turn it down. Over, and then turn it up. Find 100 maybe. I don't remember. But horrible. There's no way to just click the button to make it fit. It sucks. That's good. All this please. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have a way to fix it. It's not a big deal, but it'll be a big deal when I'm playing a game. That's the problem. Let's see, try taking it down to 720. But it works. It's not putting this up to where it'll fit on the screen. Let's try it under. We're gonna have to let the button control it. Well, yeah, but that's it. My screen. I need a to call it. But yeah, it's booted up. It looks pretty nifty. Let me turn this over. As you can tell, it's lighted up. Let me actually go into the. Not that. There it is. Anywhere audio. Oh, there it is. I don't know what I was. So here's the command station of the Alienware. Here's the thermal control. That's what I wanted to check out really quick before I stopped. Accept the terms. Alright. So the CPU sensor is running. Can I change it to Fahrenheit or no? No, I have to wait Celsius Fahrenheit. That's kind of cool. Crap. Oh. So the CPU pump, it's running. The CPU fan is at 27%. It's not doing anything. Is that to do audio, auto? That just sucks. I can't click on the button and change it to Fahrenheit though, so I can know it better. The front fan is running at 563 RPM, so that's 20%. I can kind of change it. The top fan, which is the one up here, obviously, it is. I want to click on it actually. It's running at 1168 RPM right now, so it's at idle. It's not doing anything. Basically, that's where it wants to keep it. But yeah. Let's go into here. What's this? Oh, it's that thing. Oh, I don't care about that. Let's click on just a random one. Let's click on Alien Blood. Apply. Oh, that's actually a pretty nice looking, nifty looking color, actually. So yeah, And here's the DVD drive. I will probably install a Blu-ray drive later on down the road, but you know, there's a hope there. So yeah. I also have a portable Blu-ray player, so if I need to, I can plug it in and stuff. So there's no big problem with it. And then I'll see the same thing with every update, where apparently you can only change each side, so you can only change the head, obviously, which I'm going to change that, and then you can change the one side and then the other side. You can't change multiple ones. And that'd be cool if you can have like each different color, but that'd be cool. But oh well. So that's everything right now. This is my first desktop. Period. Complete your software installation. Sure. So yeah. The only thing I'm gonna kind of bummed out right now is my TV is gonna kind of cut off part of it, and during now it's no big deal, but during gameplay and stuff that is gonna be a big deal. It'll hide my bottom half. See what it's doing right there. So yeah. I can't click on that. Go away. What's this? It apparently has a CPU sensor right there. I just wish there would. I might have to do it in my settings. So, yeah. Nothing really else. I don't think there was an actual computer jacket. Yes, there is. Does this have one? No. I never checked if my computer had one. It does not, from the looks of it. This kind of sucks. Because if it had a computer jack, that'd be better. Then it would, instantly register. Oh well. But yeah, that is the complete unboxing and first boot of my Aurora R6, I believe it is. You know what? I can actually go into. Oh wait, what? Next, go into this PC. Right click it. Properties. And here we are. So, let's see, here you go, the Core i7 6600 CPU at 4.20 gigahertz, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and all that fanciness. So, that's pretty cool. I don't know why I clicked on completed. I don't know, there's a lot of flies in here today, what the hell? So, yeah. That's everything. Obviously there's nothing on my drive yet because I just got it and all that stuff. So yeah, and there's the DVD drive. I haven't had one actually show DVD in forever. Like, seriously. So yeah, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for my review. I'm actually about to probably do my review on my laptop now. I've been just really busy with work and stuff, so I haven't really been able to find the time to do so. Which kind of blows. They got all dark all of a sudden. So yeah, that's all there is. It's gonna kind of suck. Might have to put some money out, I guess, to get an actual TV or get while I'm out today shopping, doing the kid stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much everything so far. I mean, I won't say anything. But yeah, so like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next unboxing / review or whatever. So yeah, see you all next time.